As real estate agent, a lot of people ask me this question. What is the easiest and the least expensive way of home improvement that I can do to get my house sold quickly and for top dollars? Well, today I'm here to share with you my 3 favorite tips on the best return of your investment. Number 1 is paint. Yes, paint is the most cost-effective way for you to do without breaking your bank. A nice neutral color will make your home look so much bigger and brighter. I actually have 2 my favorite colors that I always recommend my clients to use. So are you ready for this? Grab a pen and a paper. The first one is called Agreeable Gray from Sherwin-Williams. And the second one is from Don Edwards. It's called Stucco Tan. So give it a try. I'm sure you will like it. And my number 2 tip is flooring. Let's say you walk into a home with a carpet that stains and smells. Don't you just want to leave? Well, replacing with a brand new carpet or flooring will definitely make your home look and feel so much fresher and newer. Number 3 tip is landscaping. Whether you put down a new sod, pull weeds, or trim overgrown shrubs, or just plant some seasonal colorful flowers, your curb appeal will definitely make your home more inviting. So remember, first impression does matter. Do not let your potential buyers pass over on your home. My name is Gong. I'm a real estate agent here in Irvine. If you have any questions, please call me. Thank you for watching.